Yes guys, back to this Jaguar XFS 3 litre V6. Minor repair on this front door. There's a few dents, we're repairing them, addressing them. We've got a replacement mirror, electric folding mirror. This is going to paint the cap, put that on straightforward. That was only £100. The back door is obviously got more severe damage than the front. And instead of repairing this, for the sake of it, we've got a replacement door. All we're going to have to do is swap the door cards over. It's a complete door. And it's only cost £200. And guess what? The best thing about it, it's in exactly the same colour as the car itself. We've got a minor bit there to sort out. Here you go guys, look. Door's landed, no damage on it whatsoever, exactly the same colour. So look, for the sake of £300, a door and a mirror, I'm just going to paint that front door, front bit. Right, so there you go guys. We've got a replacement door in the same colour, straightforward repair. Door's going to get swapped, front door's going to be repaired. Flash the side, no airbag damage, no front end smash, no rear end, nothing serious. You can do light cosmetic repairs and get yourself a good deal guys. So do your research, make sure you get yourself something light and straight in and out guys, nothing complicated. Stay tuned. So guys, before we swap these doors over, we're going to be swapping the door cards over. At the same time, we've noticed there's literally 20 wires in this loom, and this loom only's got about 6. So we're going to change the loom over as well as the door cards before we actually swap the doors over. Look at the quality of the Meridian sound system speaker in this door and the tweeter compared to this paper speaker. Huge difference. Back to this Jaguar XFS. We decided to paint and blend the front wing in, repaired and painted the front door, replaced that back door. All we had to do is just blend some paint on it to match the panels, repair the little minor bits on this. All we've got left now is to flat and polish the whole car guys. 3-stage polish. Stay tuned. I'm just about to start this detailing. It's all been snow foamed and washed and clay barred. Started with a compound. Compound this car all down. First stage, second stage polish, 3-stage ceramic, and finish off with the ceramic coating.